Welcome everyone, and this is another one of my projects that I've been working on for the last 2 or 3 weeks. It's a home solar project. Obviously, due to the energy crisis, it's all about trying to save a few quid. So I'll show you what we've been doing and see what you think. So what we've basically done, we've added solar on top of my my bar, which is there, which is not a bad amount of roof space. So that's about 2.4 kilowatts of energy on there. Some of the latest solar panels, there's only 4 of them, and I think they're 550 watts each. They practically work in just normal daylight. So I'll go in and let you have a look at the controller. So this is all inside my shed, and it's nicely tucked away behind the bar. And here we have, let's just take you down, these are my lithium batteries. Just keeping them warm at the minute, obviously, because it's going to get a little bit frosty soon, and as we all know, lithiums don't like cold weather, so there's a little heater there just in case. Anyway, we've got to double up on those soon. And here we have a 24 volt system. So yeah, this is a 3.5 kilowatt hybrid inverter. Basically what it is, it's a solar controller as well as a inverter. But not only that, if I lose power at any time, main energy cuts in from the grid and charges the batteries again, so which gives me a full set of batteries for the next day. So yeah, this is what it's all about. Just a few breakers here and there, 16 amp breaker, lots of little fuses and shut-offs. So this basically is running the complete shed, which is the Wi-Fi system down there, which comes up to here. We've got the lights on it, lots more which I'll show you. This morning my project was to put all these strengtheners in the top of the shed, because the weight of the solar on the roof was a little bit too much for it, I think. So anyway, it's sound now, so onward and upward. So what have we got running off the system? Pretty easy really. So greenhouse, loads of power down there as and when we need it. All sorts goes on in there. We can put a fan on in the summer just to let the air go through. Wi-Fi cameras. Obviously we've had this big cable running all the way up to the top of the garden. Got another double socket down there, again all on solar. Hello chickens. My main thing that I put on it is all this lot, all the coys. So we've got 2 ponds running on it, and we're running quite a few gadgets. So we've got a pump, we've got a UV light, we've got a jet wash, got a filter system, air system, quite a lot really. So another thing that we've got running is the baby pond. Again, small UV, pump, air pump, control system, and also a filter system. Again, all running on solar. What else have we done? That's next year. Going to get the hot tub on it. It's a little bit too much for it at the minute, but I have worked out that I will be able to heat this with sun solar next year, but winter not very good. What else have we got? Another double outside socket down there, coming on into the shed. Also the laser's hooked up to it. We've got a pump down the bottom, we've got a cooling system back down there, we've got an extraction fan. All the sockets in the shed are on it. Laptop, various bits and bobs, chargers, lights on it. We've got another small garage cut out there, 16 amp. That's just running some various bits and bobs in and out the shed. Also that's the main cut off for the house. By the way, this is not a grid tied system, so basically you don't need any special licensing, because I'm not actually tying in with the grid system whatsoever. that's just getting too complicated. I mean, the paying system at the minute is absolutely rubbish, so you may as well just bank all your solar yourself and use it in the evening. Another thing I've done, I've got the extension also completely on a separate circuit that runs router, my camera system, Amazon Alexa, various switches, Fire Stick, got a big 55-inch TV, again all running on solar. I do get most of the evening from this, as long as I've got good sun in the day, everything outside, both ponds, which do run 24/7 by the way, they never turn off, so they never give you a break. That's all on it. In the evening basically that's still running, and we switch over onto the house and use TV in that back room. We've got a log burner on there, so free eating as well. Well, nearly free, but the amount of wood I've been getting hold of lately, which is helping us on the way. Next project, what's my next project? I'm going to get the washing machine on it. So just the other side of this wall here is my utility room, so I'll be breaking into that and just putting a solar circuit in there, hopefully get the washing machine off it. I don't think I'm going to get the dryer. I think actually we've stopped using the dryer, and that's about all we've got. I might be able to show you, if I stand here at the bottom of the garden, you might be able to see the solar again, which is right over in that direction. So anyway, that's your lot from me, from my solar project. No, there is one more thing. The next thing I'm working on also is to put the electric car on there. I think if I connect it to the slow charger, I'll be able to charge it on the days that Alison doesn't go to work. So it doesn't matter how long it takes, as long as it gives us a full charge, which is about 220 miles. Again, something to look forward to. Anyway, if you like what you're seeing, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe below if you want to see any more content like this, or travel content. And we'll catch you on the next one. See you folks, bye bye.